Welcome to our video on how to find the perfect business idea. Starting a business can be an exciting and fulfilling endeavor. But coming up with the right idea can be a challenge. In this video, we will explore various strategies and techniques for finding a business idea that is right for you. Finding a business idea can be a challenging task. But there are several ways to generate ideas and find the perfect one for you. First, identify a problem or need in the market. Look for gaps in the market or problems that people are facing and try to find a solution for them. This could be a product or service that fills a need or makes someone's life easier. Second, look at your own interests and passions. Think about what you are passionate about and try to find a way to turn that into a business. This can be a great way to find a business that you are truly excited about. Third, talk to people. Ask friends, family, and colleagues what they need or what they are struggling with. This can be a great way to generate ideas and also get feedback on your ideas. Fourth, research and stay informed. Keep an eye on industry news, trends, and market research to stay informed about what is happening in your field. This can help you identify opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. Fifth, take inspiration from others. Look at other successful businesses and try to find ways to improve upon their ideas or bring something new to the table. Sixth, participate in startup events and communities. Join startup communities and attend events. Remember that not all business ideas will be successful, and it's important to validate your idea by researching your target market. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you gain some insight on how to find a business idea that aligns with your interests and skills.